There's a moment in life where you have to look yourself in the mirror and decide it. Am I going to win or am I going to lose? Because there's no opponent. There's no one standing in your way but you. When I look back, I realized that the belief I had in myself was unshackable. Nothing could stop me. Not circumstances, not doubts, not even fear. As a kid, I believed the sky was the limit. I believed that if I was willing to make sacrifices, if I was ready to dedicate myself fully, then I could achieve anything. Even when my situation seemed hopeless, there was this voice in my head whispering, "It's going to happen." I didn't know how, I didn't know when, but I knew deep down that it would. And I decided, yes, I'm going to do it. Fast forward a few years, and here I am, standing in the reality I once only imagined. You see, your words shape your destiny. What you speak into existence becomes your reality. Take this as a lesson. Speak what you want into the world. Visualize it. Dream it. Feel it. When you immerse yourself so deeply in your vision that it becomes a part of you, the world has no choice but to respond. I've been dreaming of moments like this my entire life. So clearly, so vividly, and so often they manifested into my reality. And here's the truth: to reach the pinnacle of any craft, to dominate in whatever you do, you have to be a little obsessed. You can't just want it casually. You have to go all in. You need to be insanely committed to your dream. Most people won't understand. They'll see you sacrificing, grinding, and call you crazy. But those same people, they're clocking in at 9 a.m. and clocking out at 5 p.m., living someone else's dream. You're chasing yours, and that makes all the difference. The real battle is within you. It's your brain playing tricks on you, pulling you into doubt, fear, and procrastination. If you don't control your mind, it will control you. And if you let that happen, it's game over. From a young age, I visualized greatness. I'd kick a ball against a wall, pretending to score the winning goal in a packed stadium. I didn't know it at the time, but I was planting seeds of my future. That's the power of imagination. Albert Einstein once said, "Imagination is everything. It's the preview of life's coming attractions." Look around you. Every invention, every achievement, every success began as someone's imagination. Vincent van Gogh said, I have dedicated my life to my art, and in doing so, I have lost my mind. And when I heard that, it resonated deeply. Because I've given every ounce of my life to my craft. I've poured my soul into perfecting it. To the outside world, it might look like I've lost my mind. But the truth is, I've found it. No matter where you are right now, no matter how dark it seems, remember this: anything is possible. I'm living proof. You might feel like giving up. You might feel defeated. But don't let anyone crush your dreams. Rise up, push forward. Because the world waiting for you to claim yours. What's yours? What you seek is seeking you.